Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to do a flip through of the Coastal Junk Journal that we started here on the channel. I'll link in the iCard up above the beginnings of this journal so you can kind of get an idea of how it came together. Some specifications on the journal. The journal measures approximately 5 by 8.5 with a 1 1/8 inch spine. It has approximately 104 pages front and back, and it includes 3 signatures. It has a removable tassel, lots of tucks, tags, and it includes coffee and tea stained papers, hand dyed papers, and it also includes pages from a variety of different digital kits. There's a framed window on the cover that contains a custom tag. The idea for this journal came from papers that I received in Happy Mail, and they were scrapbook papers with a mermaid and sea theme. So I started this whole process with those papers, and it grew from there. Some of the kits that I use in this journal are no longer available, so I cannot link them in the description box below, but what I can link below, I will link below. The tails on each signature have been left long in case the recipient wants to add beads or charms to it. It includes some sewing, and it also includes a bit of lace here and there. The journal includes some stenciling, it includes some collaging, and some decoupage. Most of the envelopes in this journal have been left open for journaling. There are some hidden tucks and pockets that I don't show in the flip through. And I guess that's it. I'm going to hush and let you look at the journal, and I'll catch you on the other side. This pocket includes some of the extras from one of the kits that I use. So there is extra ephemera that can be used throughout the journal. I added quite a few blank pieces so that you can journal and customize it to make it your own. Here on the back is a pocket with some extra goodies that can be used throughout the journal. And this large journaling card. A vellum envelope full of ephemera and extra pieces to use in the journal. So that is it. That is the finished coastal journal. This will be available in the shop at scrapcraftastic.com if you are interested in purchasing it. And I will include some close-up photos at the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.